Here we have our popular Elements folding tent, now in its Gen 2 or second generation. We're now going to show you everything that's new. Starting with the most obvious change, that's definitely the colour of the tent fabric. With a stone model here, we now have a slightly darker grey. We call it Midnight Stone. We've removed the yellow line we had before, the yellow top stitching, to give it a simple modern design. This is also reflected in the tension poles, which are now matte black as well. Furthermore, we've now integrated roll-up straps, so you can comfortably roll the cover upwards. If you're staying in one spot for a while, it keeps it neatly out of the way, and you can get to your car door more easily. We've also made some more updates on the inside. First off, there's an improved mattress. We now have an 8cm mattress in here with a memory foam topper on it, making it even more comfortable. Plus, up here in the awning, under the fly sheet, we have a tension pole. This prevents a pocket of water from forming, even in heavy rain or snow. Another innovation is in the base of the tent. It's invisible, but very important. We now have a reinforced honeycomb base. This prevents denting and adds extra stability when folding the tent, which in turn guarantees even greater longevity for our rooftop tents. So as I mentioned at the start, what we're showing here is our new Midnight Stone. That's the slightly darker grey without the yellow top stitching. This one is new. The old colour from Generation 1 will of course be phased out over time. Plus we're continuing with our very popular Ocean model in the dark blue colour. Both colours, Ocean and Midnight Stone, will continue to be available in the 140, 165cm and 2m20 sleeping widths. And of course both also have a matching awning available in their respective colours.